Stamped records, founded by our Dutch friend Martin Garrix. My favorite genre of this record label is bass house, and I tried my best to make bass house in stamped record style. Let's go. So here is my stamped records bass house banger, and yeah, it's pretty detailed, not gonna lie. First we're gonna start off with a brass. Very simple. The Justin Bieber "What Do You Mean" clock. An impact. Add a transition. Another one. And for the second part, a tambourine loop. When it comes to the second part, add a heavy guitar. A pluck. Oh, and I also forgot, just repeat it to the build up. Yeah, the build up. Introduce it with the same transition. Some build up snares. More build up snares. An uplifter. Of course, a riser. Some drum fills. Together. Add this at the end. Add a pre-drop vocal.
Don't miss with the 808.
This is what the beginning of your song should sound like. Pretty cool, right? Now for the drop, add this. Of course, it's bass house, so yeah, add a bass. Layer it with a sub bass. Add this drum loop. Add a short sub and a stab. Again, the plug. This thing. Add a bunch of random stuff like this. And this. And yeah, this. And at the end of the first part, add this. Add some crowd effects. As you can hear, it's not that hard, it's not that loud, because you need to balance it with everything else. At the end of the second part, add again add the pre-drop vocal.
Don't miss with the 808.
And this chant. And again, this short fill. At the second part, it's not much changed. It's just, it adds this tambourine loop again. And this whistle. And this ARP thing. Add this again at the end of the second drop. And now change the bass line a little bit for the third part. Layer it with a sub bass. Layer it with this. As you can hear, I made a reverb automation. Just automated the mixer here. Yeah, not that much. And repeat everything from the second part and add, of course, the Mesto, the famous Mesto hi-hat loop. Just copy and paste it and just add a riser. This is my second try making bass house, but the first time making bass house in the style of stamped records. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something new, and I'm gonna play this now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like. Well, I don't care about likes, but I do care about subscribers though. So if you're not subscribed, please check that red button. I want it to be gray. I think red is very ugly. Gray is better. I hope you learned something new. I did when I was making this. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.